creativity. It's in our DNA. The passion for creation gave life to Anycubic. For 10 years, we built with passion, using revolutionary solutions to bring down barriers. We share the love for artistry that propels your imagination to go far beyond the limit.
Hey guys, welcome to my studio. This is my latest printed game handcraft.
Linked by the affection for innovation, you discover countless amazing ideas alongside this community. Going from a blueprint to a world of awesomeness.
Round one.
Wonder what's on the next level? We'll take you there. With a full spectrum of colors that produce jaw-dropping results. Blistering speed that rocket boosts your achievements. New options to unlock your potential. And unique ways to turn a house into a home. Bringing your dreams to life, regardless of how small they are. Because creativity lays the foundation for what the future holds. Thank you for being with us for the past 10 years. Anycubic may have transformed the way we build, but you have changed the world. And together, we make things happen. Anycubic, for the freedom to make.